Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing random stuff. I finally got our screen recorder. Hopefully this is able to stay because, oops, wrong thing. Press wrong thing. What the heck are these lines in the face? Sorry, I'm picking up my nails because they are disgusting. Okay. Yep, it's a gift PM, so I would not answer that. For a second. Oh, Liliana. Gosh, that was hard to spell. Gosh, people are copying my friends. It's like horse design. There's pig flies! Adorable. I'm gonna be, like, mining. Wait, is today quest day? Let me check. 1 second. No, it's taming. So today we are doing random stuff. I don't know. You guys might be sitting in silence. I don't know why. By the way, why am I saying Oh. So. The machines, I swear, I don't like the machines. Ew. Ew. Okay, who cares? Who the heck is Crystal Dashword? Yeah, there's lightning storm. Oh, Queenies. Oh, girl, I love that outfit. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing random stuff for the millionth time I have said it. Probably doing some racing, taming, or I don't know. Our club is actually almost to level 13. Yay! Yeah. My name is Pointy. Pointy. What's in it? I already have that one. Sorry. I have a horrible voice today. I don't want to talk. Holy crap. What am I skelly horse? Yeah, see, I had this horse. I had this pony. I also have the Pegasus version of it. Oh, Sassy here. Sassy is here, yeah. Wait, how the heck did she get a horse? That's my question. Alright, sorry. We're gonna be sitting in silence. Yeah, what's that? Okay, I will join it forever. Holy crap. back. If you hear sirens in the back. Yeah, there's definitely like a fire or something. No way, we have another brownie that I don't need. I love that one, see. Oh. I'm gonna be collecting my growy puppies. Goodness, I'm got all of it. I am not okay today. Oh gosh, these gross. These things are little tricksters. They're like letting out. Like letting out 50 million at a time. Wait, I wonder where the fairy is today. You know, sorry, I have allergies because where I live there's polyverde. Oh, I just found her. Polyverde trees everywhere. So this is just. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this time I will be able to screen record. No. I am coughing. Don't mind squiggling. Oh wait, no, I don't know what that language is. Yeah, I put random languages because I was bored earlier. Oh, also, I am going to be joining a different club. Yeah, I'm going to be joining a different club. I'm very sad about that. Very, very sad. I'm getting PMs a lot. I'm gonna be saying all day long. I just got it back in. Okay, loud. Yeah, done. Guys, don't make fun of my gold. I spent a lot on upgrading my magic stable. Too much, actually. And guess what happened? This is what I got. 10 magic stables open. How long does this go? Level 60. Yeah. Today I have a weird different fit. Outfit. I'm gonna change the outfit. I don't want to change the hair though. Anyone miss this hair? This hair? This hair? Oh, I need okay, I'm now going to be changing my skin. I know I do that. Okay, if I get a blue fit on an outfit, then I need to go different. Yeah, that's what I need to do. If you hear random things in the background, it's just I need to get away from this dang portal. It's so loud. The club that I will be joining is Hooves for Jesus. And I actually might do my next video on my microphone. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Bro.